Hi there and welcome to Amplify. My name is Bob Gentle and I talk about all things digital marketing and digital sales. And today I want to talk about one thing that holds so many people back. It holds me back from time to time. It holds my clients back. It holds lots of people back. It doesn't matter what stage of business you're at. Unless you can solve this one problem, everything is going to be hard. So stick around. So today I want to talk about momentum. Momentum is the biggest problem that holds people back. And I've spent a lot of time trying to work through this because I work in the most distracting, possibly the second most distracting business in the world, digital marketing. I work on social media that's designed to suck attention. I work on search engine marketing, which is again a rabbit hole of places you can go. Everywhere I turn, when I do my job, there's potential for distraction. In addition to that, I'm always busy. I've got tons and tons of work. I've more work than I can reasonably do, if I'm honest. So how do I make the decisions on which work to do? More importantly, when you're busy, you do busy work. You do the work that seems urgent. You do the things that are on fire. You put fires out. You keep plates spinning. Any business owner will recognize that. So how do you move beyond that into the things that will move your business forward? This is what I want to focus on. Because for a lot of my clients, and you're probably the same, digital marketing, it's hard, it's complicated. You put it off to one side, you'll get to it. And I'll tell you a secret. You will never get to it, ever. I know this for a fact. Unless you make it a priority, you will never get to it. There are lots of things. If you're honest, you've probably been telling yourself for years, you'll get to them. You won't. You never do. So the first thing you need to focus on is, what is it that you want to achieve? What do you want to do? Spend a little bit of time being intentional, thinking about what actually are my goals in my business. You've probably done this from time to time. But I want you to take a second right now and think about, what am I here for? What do I want to achieve? I've been planning to grow my business online for a few years now. And how much have I done? Yeah, that's right. So get really clear on why you want to do it, because it's going to be hard. You're going to have to say no to some things in order to say yes to this. The next thing I want you to think about is how you plan your time. If you're like most people, then you will have to-do lists. And let me tell you this, the to-do list is the one thing that's holding you back more than anything else. To-do lists are a great way to focus on other people's priorities. The things that get done on your to-do list are the things that other people are shouting at you for. So you're going to need to manage your time differently. The way I recommend is go back to school. How did you plan your day at school? You worked a timetable. So what you should be doing, what I do, is every week, at the end of the week, what needs to get done? What things do I need to do for my clients? What things do I need to do for my own projects? And they go on a schedule or a schedule or a timetable, depending on your favorite word. So you need to move beyond the to-do list to a schedule and plan your week ahead of time. So you do the things that matter to other people, but you prioritize into that the things that matter to you and your business, the things that are going to move your business forward. This one thing has moved my business forward more than anything else I've done in the last 2 years. It's so simple, but ridiculously powerful. There's some interesting psychology behind it, but really focus in on this. The last thing, the simplest thing, is one thing every day. Choose one thing that you could do every day, doesn't matter how small, that will move your business forward. Make this a priority. Make it the number one thing you do every day. It doesn't matter if it's a 5-minute job, a 1-hour job, or a whole day job. One thing every day that will move your business forward will mean you're being consistently pulled forward in your business, rather than, as is the case for a lot of people, treading water and waking up tomorrow wondering why you didn't do it yesterday. This is what I want to talk about today. I'm very passionate about this because momentum and distraction are the biggest killers in my industry. They're the biggest killers for my clients. They're the biggest killer for most business owners. I only work with business owners and I see this all the time. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, then give it a thumbs up on YouTube. Also, subscribe. That way YouTube will know this kind of content matters to you. If this video resonated with you, connect with me on social media. More importantly, message me, because if this connected with you, you might be just the person I'm looking for in my Amplify Mastermind coaching groups. I would love for you to connect with me and join one of those. So my name is Bob Gentle. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.